You don't usually wake up in the morning with an erection. Please watch this video very carefully. In this video, I will give you practical tips to help you to regain back your morning erections to the point where you have at least one good morning erection every week. As a medical doctor and a human physiologist working with thousands of men for over 10 years, I know what works and what doesn't. I will give you everything in this video, and at the end of this video, I will give you a free gift. Having night erections or morning erections or morning wood or nocturnal penile tumescence or whatever I call it is very good. It's normal. It's a sign of health. Penile health, erectile health, it's a sign of general health. It means things are going on well. And if you're not having it, it means there is a problem somewhere. For you to have morning erections, you need the mind to be working very well, arousal system to be working very well, the nerves, the muscles, the blood vessels, the blood flow, hormones and chemicals, testosterone, nitric oxide, everything should be working on very well. And by the way, if you have diabetes or hypertension or you are overweight, please make sure you see a doctor. Physically get those things controlled and fixed, or else everything I'm saying might not work on its own without having good blood pressure or good blood sugar or good body weight. Number one, good sleep. The quantity of sleep and the quality of sleep is important for your erections. When we talk about quality, we're talking about sleep that's uninterrupted, that is refreshing, meaning that you wake up in the morning feeling refreshed. You have little or no sleep disturbances, breathing problems, or snoring, maybe kids or your partner, or any form of disturbance in the bedroom or waking up to urinate several times. All of these can affect the quality of the sleep. And quantity is also very important. Ideally, you should have 7 to 9 hours of sleep. This will allow for ample time for all the hormones and chemicals and the sleep cycle to work so that you can have your night erections and morning erections. So sleep more, sleep better. Go to bed and wake up at the same time. You can use an alarm to help you to stay consistent with your sleeping time and your waking up time. Don't eat late and don't eat heavy close to your bedtime. Don't drink alcohol or don't drink large amounts of liquids or fluids so that you don't wake up several times going to ease yourself. Make sure your bed and your bedroom is comfortable, dark, quiet, and keep off from screens, smartphones, television when it's close to bed or while you're on bed. If there are sleep disturbances, things that affect the quality of your sleep, make sure you fix it. Number 2, take supplements, daily multivitamins and minerals. Many men are malnourished and have nutrient deficiencies. You can be chubby and even have pot belly, yet you have deficiencies in some of the minerals and vitamins that are important for an erection. So you may need to contact your doctor or a pharmacist and get a rich supplement of multivitamin and minerals. This will help you with your testosterone and your general sexual health. And do make sure it contains vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B12, magnesium, selenium, zinc, and boron. This in itself alone can settle the problem for most men. Number 3, eat clean, eat natural, eat food, real food. Avoid processed stuff. Cut off added sugar, soft drinks, sweetened foods, and processed foods. All of these disrupt your testosterone and other important chemicals and processes. Reduce alcohol or stop completely. Alcohol depresses your central nervous system, it dehydrates you, and it damages blood vessels and nerves. Stop smoking completely. Cigarette smoking narrows your blood vessels, it destroys it. Always stay hydrated. Make sure you're drinking water regularly and adequately. Don't let yourself be thirsty for long. And make sure your urine is clear, not deeply colored, and no strong odor. Eat protein-rich foods like eggs. Eat the entire egg. You can have at least one daily. Soft boiled. Fruits are very important. Watermelon, avocado. Watermelon will help you stay hydrated. And for watermelon, make sure you chew the seeds. Contains some chemicals that will help your erections. Avocado has healthy fats. Eat real food. Clean up your meals and you'll be shocked how your erection will drastically improve. Number 4, do resistance exercises. Be careful with exercises because I see many men get it wrong here. You push yourself too hard for too long with certain kinds of exercise, and you have a negative effect on your testosterone, your hormones, your erections. This is what I recommend for my clients. Body weight exercises, push-ups, pull-ups, squats, planks, lift weights like dumbbells. These are very important because they help to develop your muscles, to burn fat, help with your testosterone. So be careful with aerobics, jogging or running or cycling, especially for long period of time and frequently. Just be careful because this can raise cortisol, and these stress hormones will reduce your testosterone, affecting your erection. Most of your exercises should be resistance exercise, at least 3 times weekly, till you see yourself sweating and breathing faster, and you'll be shocked how your erections will improve and you will restore your night erections. Number 5, fix your porn and masturbation addiction. See, these can mess up with the wirings of your brain, affecting your normal body sexual responses. It also could affect the chemicals and the hormones in your body that are responsible for having a good erection. It even affects people's psyche and mindset, causing anxiety and stress. And all of this can in itself affect your erection, because if you watch porn, masturbate several times in a day, even when you are weak and sore, it's affecting your work, your relationship. In fact, you don't have desire for a physical partner any longer, don't respond to a physical partner any longer. Completely stop or gradually reduce the duration, that's the time that you masturbate and watch porn, and the frequency, how often you masturbate and watch porn. Reduce it gradually till it gets to the barest minimum, or you can stop completely. This in itself alone can change things for you. In fact, in the next few weeks, you start seeing significant changes in your erections, restore your morning and night erections completely. Number 6, work on your mind. You see, sex starts in the mind. Psychoneuroendocrinology. Psycho, your mind, can affect your nerves and your hormones and chemicals. So make sure that your mindset and your thoughts and emotions are predominantly positive, peaceful, and powerful. This is very important. A lot of sexual problems and erectile problems people have is psychological. So learn to relax in healthy ways. What makes you happy? Keep doing it if it's healthy and not harmful. Laugh often, relax a lot, learn to handle stress properly, be peaceful and be positive. The way you see yourself is the way your body responds to. Where the mind goes, the body follows. So if you see yourself as a sexually weak person, guess what? The body will respond to that thought. So learn to start seeing yourself as a sexually active person, as a person with awesome sexual performance. Visualize it, see it in your mind with a lot of emotions and positive emotions. Say it out loud. In fact, stand in front of a mirror and say it loud to yourself with a lot of emotions. I have good erections. Constantly, always. I love and enjoy sex with my partner. Sexual intercourse is usually explosive and satisfying for me. Say it loud to yourself often. It may look as if you are deceiving yourself or lying to yourself, but that's how the mind and the body works. Say it till you believe it and there's little or no resistance. In fact, I have a free gift for you. If you check the link in the description, I have a series of affirmations that you can recite several times in a day, constantly for the next few months or even years, to reprogram your mind. So check the description, click the link, and you get your free gift and join the community. Take charge of your health and happiness. Stay strong, and I'll see you on the next one.